Science has proven what most of us have suspected all along. Being grateful is one of the best ways to feel more peaceful and content. But here's the secret truth about gratitude, something that science can't explain but we know to be true. Gratitude has the power to change your brain. It can reduce stress and anxiety while boosting happiness and optimism. But how do we cultivate genuine gratitude in our daily lives? In this video, we'll take 10 minutes to help you access its life-changing power. We invite you to join us in this transformative journey. Allow yourself to be fully present as we guide you through a profound meditation. In just a few moments, we'll begin by asking you to close your eyes and breathe in slowly. As you inhale, imagine drawing all the goodness of the universe into your being. When you exhale, let go of any tension or worry. This is your sanctuary where worries fade away and tranquility takes center stage. It's a place where your inner light shines through the soft veil of relaxation. Welcome to this sacred space designed for you, where we'll embark on a journey of gratitude and reflection. Take a moment to appreciate the very air that sustains us, the life force that flows through every living being. Feel its gentle touch as it enters your lungs, carrying with it the essence of existence itself. This breath, this moment is a gift. Let it fill you with a deep sense of appreciation for the miracle of simply being alive. Now, dear friend, we want to guide you to a place where memories reside, those moments that have shaped your life and filled your heart with warmth. Recall a time when someone showed up for you, a helping hand extended when you needed it the most. Mentally revisit that moment, letting the details unfold like a cherished photograph. See the person, feel their presence and the emotions that surged within you at that time of need. Their kindness was a guiding light, illuminating your path and offering solace in times of trouble. You felt seen, understood and cared for. Their support was a lifeline that helped you navigate through the storm. And now here you are basking in the afterglow of gratitude, knowing that because of their love and care you were able to weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. As you reflect on this moment, let these feelings wash over you once again. If words could express the depth of your appreciation, you would pour out oceans of thanks to this special person who stood by your side. Just as the moon reflects the light of the sun, you reflect the love and kindness shown to you now and forever. May your heart forever hold this memory as a precious gem. Let it serve as a reminder of the unwavering support that has always been there for you. Take a moment to acknowledge the invaluable impact this person has had on your life. Imagine their smiling face, the twinkle in their eye, the echo of their voice. These are the threads that weave the tapestry of your life. With each passing moment, may your gratitude for them continue to grow. Next, we want you to think of a challenge you faced and overcame. It could be anything, a fear that held you back, a self-doubt that threatened to engulf you, or a limiting belief that clouded your vision. Mentally revisit this challenge, feeling the weight of the obstacle in your path. You remember the moments of vulnerability when you questioned your abilities and doubted your strength, but within you lay a reservoir of resilience waiting to be tapped. Slowly you began to dig deep into the well of your inner strength. With each passing moment, you gathered more and more courage until finally you found the strength to confront the challenge head-on. As you reflect on this journey, let the pride of your accomplishment fill you up. You realize that facing and conquering this challenge has been a pivotal moment in your life. It marked a turning point where you discovered new depths of strength and resilience within yourself. The fear that once loomed large now stands as a distant memory, replaced by the confidence born out of your hard-earned victory. Remember that every obstacle you overcome is but a stepping stone towards your greatness. Celebrate the progress you've made. Let this experience serve as a guiding light illuminating the path ahead. Trust in your ability to navigate through any future challenges that come your way. And finally, bring to mind a moment of natural beauty. It could be a sunset that painted the sky with vibrant hues, the sound of birds at dawn, or the refreshing touch of rain on a summer day. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in that moment once again. Feel the warmth of the sun or the coolness of the rain on your skin. Hear the symphony of nature all around you. It's a moment of pure sensory delight. In that instant, you were completely present. There was nothing before and after that moment, only the pure experience of being alive and connected to the world around you. It was a moment of mindfulness, a time when you didn't think about the past or worry about the future. You were fully immersed in the beauty of the present. As you relive this memory, let a wave of serenity wash over you. You understand that these moments of natural beauty are not just fleeting instances in time. They are opportunities to reconnect with the wonders of the natural world and find solace in its embrace. Each sunset, each birdsong, each raindrop is a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us. Embrace these gifts of nature and allow them to nourish your soul. Now that you've revisited these 3 moments, we want you to bring them to the forefront of your mind. Hold on to the feelings of gratitude, accomplishment, and serenity. Let these emotions intertwine, creating a harmonious chord within your chest. Feel how they resonate, how they harmonize, how they uplift your spirits. You might wonder why we chose these particular memories for you to revisit. Each one holds a unique significance in the context of your overall well-being. The first memory, a symbol of human connection, reminds you of the importance of the bonds you share with others. These connections are the threads that weave the fabric of your life. The second memory, a testament to your strength and resilience, serves as a constant reminder that you possess an inner power capable of overcoming any challenge. And the third memory, a moment of natural beauty, grounds you in the present, urging you to find joy in the simple wonders of life. Together, these memories form a powerful narrative of your life. They are the chapters that tell the story of who you are and who you can become. As you reflect on these memories, consider how they shape your perspective. How do they influence the way you approach challenges, form connections, and find solace in the world around you? Now, my friend, we'd like you to repeat these affirmations, allowing their words to resonate deep within your being. Say them out loud or mentally chant them. Feel their power as they become part of your inner dialogue. I am grateful for the lessons hidden in challenges. Each obstacle I've faced has been a teacher, shaping me into the resilient individual I am today. Gratitude opens my mind to peace and resilience. By embracing gratitude, I open myself to a world of inner peace and strength. It's a key that unlocks the doors to a more serene and fulfilling life. Even small joys are worthy of my attention. The smallest joys in life deserve my full attention and appreciation, for in them lies the secret to a life filled with contentment and happiness. I am grateful for the lessons hidden in challenges. Each obstacle I've faced has been a teacher, shaping me into the resilient individual I am today. Gratitude opens my mind to peace and resilience. By embracing gratitude, I open myself to a world of inner peace and strength. It's a key that unlocks the doors to a more serene and fulfilling life. Even small joys are worthy of my attention. The smallest joys in life deserve my full attention and appreciation, for in them lies the secret to a life filled with contentment and happiness. Congratulations, you've completed this journey of gratitude and reflection. As you open your eyes, carry the serenity you found within back into your day. Let the gratitude you cultivated be a guiding light in the moments ahead. Remember, you have the power to transform challenges into opportunities, to find beauty in everyday moments, and to connect with the world around you in a deeper, more meaningful way. If you found solace in this practice, we invite you to explore more content where similar practices await. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Until next time, may your days be filled with gratitude and your heart with warmth.